Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Ellevest for impact investing tax documentation easy tutorial step by step clearly. Next, visit the Ellevest website by typing in www.ellevest.com. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on Get Started to proceed to the registration page. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Ensure that your password meets the required security standards for safety. After entering your information, click the Continue button. Next, you will be guided through a series of questions to set up your investment profile. Answer each question honestly to tailor your investment strategy. Once complete, review your information for accuracy. When satisfied, click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email, so check your inbox. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your subscription. After confirming your email, return to the Ellevest website and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Impact Investing section of your dashboard. Here, you will find options to view and manage your investments. Locate the tax documentation feature within that section. Select the appropriate option to download your tax documents. Make sure to save these documents securely for future reference. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out to Ellevest's customer support. Your impact investing tax documentation is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.